Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Atrey, and if you don't know me, I make these beautiful videos on beauty, skincare, makeup and reviews, hauls, etc. If you want, you can follow me, you can subscribe my channel. And if you don't know, I am doing the series on my channel where I am going to post a video on every single day of September because on 17th it's my birthday and I don't know if I have done this video before that. Anywho, any which ways, make sure to be subscribed to my channel. And now, without any further ado, let's get started. So, I have been seeing these honest YouTuber tags, and people are going crazy over these kind of videos. So, let me tell you, I saw Vijay's video. I also saw Nidhi's video. So, I thought of doing a version of me. So that's why I thought of doing this particular video. Now this intro is super duper long. तो मैंने आप लोगों से कम्युनिटी पोस्ट पे पूछा था that leave me some questions which I can answer. Also I posted on my Instagram and you people have left me some amazing questions which I am more than happy to give an answer. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's start with some questions which you people have asked me. I have asked you on community post that if you have any question you can leave it for me. I will be more than happy to answer those questions, and you people have left a lot of questions for me, I can see here. So let's get started. This is going to be a pretty long video, so make sure to sit with your coffee or snack क्योंकि ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी होने वाली है. Now let's get started with the first question. So first question, Panchali asks, who is the most overrated Indian YouTuber? Now there are so many. एक होता तो मैं बताती. There are so many guys. सबसे पहला जो मुझे लगता है, I know many of you will come after me after I tell you that who I think is the most overrated. But this is my personal opinion. I have no grudge against such people, but I feel that they are overrated. So first जो है उसमें से वो है बी नेचुरल. जी हाँ, बी नेचुरल. उनका चैनल मुझे लगता है ओवररेटेड है. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी सेलिब्रिटी चैनल्स लाइक डेबिना डी कोड्स, उसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा ओवररेटेड चैनल है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है पीपल हु प्रमोट फेयरनेस और पीपल हु जो कुछ भी बताते हैं आपको वीडियो में, कुछ भी, न सर न पैर. आई डोंट लाइक सच पीपल. तो मुझे लगता है वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ओवररेटेड हैं. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो प्रेरणा दास, she asks me who is your favorite YouTuber. So I have a lot of favorites, but जो OG favorite YouTubers है वो श्रेया है. I like Devashri a lot. I love Shweta Vijay Nair. I just love her, seriously. Even I love Jovita. So these are the YouTubers whom I really like. And अगर मैं small content creator की बात करूँ या जो इतने फेमस नहीं है, तो मुझे निधि फ्रॉम 10 डायरीज बहुत ही पसंद है. निधि कटियार बहुत पसंद है. एंड या पांचाली, एक और चैनल है पांचाली, वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मुझे लगता है इनका चैनल जो है वो अंडररेटेड है, इंक्लूडिंग माइन. सो या एक और यूट्यूबर है जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है, वो है दीप्ति देसिकन. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है उसका कंटेंट. आई रियली लाइक दीज पीपल अ लॉट. ओके, सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू सो मेनी. Now she again asks me, what is your favorite makeup and cosmetic brand? Now ऐसा एक favorite makeup या cosmetic brand तो नहीं है, but I'll tell you, I really like PAC क्योंकि मुझे लगता है their products are really good. Even I like Sugar also. These Indian brands who are doing really great in the market, and I really love these two brands. एंड उनके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, स्पेशली पैक के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. और मुझे कुछ हद तक कुछ चीज़ें कलर बार की भी पसंद है और फेसेस की भी पसंद है, बट फेवरेट अगर चुनना हो तो पैक एंड शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स. टू दास, ही आस्क्ड मी हु इज़ योर इंस्पिरेशन. नाउ फॉर यूट्यूब आई फील दैट श्रेया, देवश्री, दे वर द वंस आई started watching them. मैंने उनको ही देखना पहले शुरू किया था. एंड आई रियली थिंक दैट they have they have this influence on me that I started my channel, because back in the days इन्हीं के जो चैनल थे वो मैं देखती थी. and I really used to love them. So yeah, they were my inspiration. Now we have a question from Tanu, and she has asked me a lot of questions, 10 questions, ठीक है. तो ये this or that, तो चलो choose करते हैं. तो first is Maybelline or Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild, Nykaa or Purple, Nykaa, Indian or Western, Indian, street food or homemade food, homemade food, pizza or pasta. नाउ दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, क्योंकि मुझे पिज़्ज़ा पास्ता दोनों पसंद है यार, मैं नहीं चूज़ कर सकती. बट अगर मुझे चूज़ करना है तो डेफिनेटली आई गो फॉर पास्ता. नाउ सरोजनी और हाई एंड ब्रांड्स, डेफिनेटली सरोजनी, एनी डे गाइस, एनी डे. नाउ चाय और कॉफ़ी, चाय ऑफ कोर्स. नाउ ब्लैक और वाइट, oh, white. Yes, I like the color white because I feel white is such a iridescent color. It makes you look so pretty and all of that. Now hair color or henna? Hair color. I don't like henna. Me, me or me? Of course, you, only you. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, pretty interesting questions. तो अभी देखते हैं. Now we have some questions from Gatha. Hi Gatha. So she has asked me, what is the meaning of your name? So my name, which is Atreyi, it means actually Atri Muni. If you have read Ramayana, or if you know, in Ramayana there was a character Atri Muni, and उनकी जो wife थी उनका नाम था Atreyi, and there is a river named Atreyi in West Bengal. सो यहाँ से जो है मेरा नेम का जो ओरिजिन है, ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं. नाउ हाउ टॉल आर यू? आई एम 5 feet 5 inches. 5 makeup products you can't live without, no? Okay, 5 makeup products. So I'll say my eyebrow product, I just can't live without them. And second has to be lipstick. And third, a mascara. Fourth, I'll choose highlighter. And fifth जो है मैं choose करूँगी blush. ये 5 चीज़ें हैं. I just can't live without them. These 5 things. Now one food item that you absolutely dislike and love. Okay, I absolutely, पहले love बता देती हूँ. I absolutely love pasta and pizza. जो ये Italian चीज़ें होती हैं ना, I just love them. And dislike milk. I just can't take milk. I don't like milk. Pet lover, of course, yes. I have a pet at my home and I love him a lot. His name is Lucky and he's a German Spitz. I will insert a picture of his. And I post so many things on my Instagram. You guys should follow me there because I post a lot about him. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages, Hindi, English, Bangla, and somewhat Nepali, but I don't speak it properly. तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आता है, अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाती. Now what brand would you love to collaborate or work with? So wow, such a nice question. I really want to work with PAC. I love their products and even Sugar for that matter. So these 2 brands I really love, and I would love to work with them. Now 3 makeup skincare products that you covet. ठीक है, स्किन केयर में आई थिंक डॉक्टर शेथ ग्लोशन एंड वन मोर जेंटल पील एंड सुगंधा स्क्वालिंग. दीज आर द 3 थिंग्स आई जस्ट लव. एंड मेकअप आइटम्स तो वही मैंने आपको बता चुकी हूँ. मेकअप आइटम्स तो ये चीज़ें हैं, आई जस्ट लव देम. नाउ बर्थडे प्लान्स, प्लीज इन्वाइट मी. आई एब्सोल्युटली yeah. I would really like to meet you guys someday. I think I'm not at a point where I can host a meetup, but once all these things gets over, I really want to meet you guys. And also I am thinking to make a vlog of my birthday so that you guys get to know me better. So yeah, I'll see you there, Gatha. And I really love your name, by the way. Now Pallavi, she asked me, is Curves and Lashes serum really a dupe of Pixie Skin Tonic? No, it is not a dupe of Pixie Tonic, and I will be very soon telling you the dupe for Pixie Glow Tonic, Pallavi. Now Prerna, she has also asked me some really some really good question जो कि रैपिड फायर है, तो जल्दी से इसको भी ख़त्म करते हैं. लिपस्टिक और आईलाइनर. लिपस्टिक एनी डे. चाय कॉफ़ी. चाय. Sweet or spicy? Spicy any day. I don't like sweet that much, but I love spicy things. Pani puri or biryani? it, I would say biryani. Yeah, I just love biryani. Especially my mother-in-law, she cooks such nice biryani, mouth-watering biryani, and I love biryani. And pani puri, I can give it a pass because I had enough pani puri in my life. So yeah. Yeah guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much of fun doing this video, and thank you so very much those of you who asked me such questions. Even Somi also asked me who are overrated YouTubers according to me, and I told you that these are the YouTubers I don't like and I think they are overrated. And now again, I don't have any personal grudges towards them, but then I feel that they are overrated, and they are overrated because of the consumers, because they want to watch such videos. So I feel that's why they are making such videos. So guys, anyways, this was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how you guys feel about this video, and such amazing questions, you guys are everything for me. And a virtual hug to all of you for showing so much of love for me. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and you are coming for the very first time. And I have done one more video where I have talked about my PR brand experience. If you haven't checked that out, please go and check that out. There I have talked in detail my PR and worst brand experiences which I had. Now that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like and share. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye. And love you guys a lot.